Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make traditional Greek salad, only way. Start by rinsing and drying vegetables, then cut tomatoes into wedges and cucumbers into thick slices. Slice red onion thinly and halve or quarter green pepper depending on size. Drain feta slightly but keep some brine for salting. Toss ingredients gently in a bowl, then add olives and oregano before finishing with olive oil. Layer ingredients thoughtfully in a wide bowl to highlight colors and textures, arranging tomatoes and cucumbers first, then onion and pepper. Add olives evenly so every bite can get briny balance, and lay a block of feta on top rather than crumbling it. Sprinkle dried oregano over the cheese, drizzle good olive oil in a steady stream, and allow the salad to sit 5 to 10 minutes so flavors marry before serving. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation: life is better with small comforts, like Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great and your commute pleasant. It's a fun little addition that pairs surprisingly well with kitchen adventures. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Serve the salad slightly chilled or at room temperature so flavors shine, and provide crusty bread to soak up the seasoned oil and brine. Offer lemon wedges or extra oregano at the table for personal adjustments, and recommend pairing with grilled fish, chicken, or lamb for a complete meal. If you have leftovers, cover and refrigerate, knowing the texture softens after one day, but the taste remains vibrant.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.